Hello and warm welcome back to my channel Dr.Sirisha's Management Lectures. In this video, we will try to see what can be done to overcome the rejection sensitivity. In the previous videos, we have understood what rejection sensitivity is and how it can really hurt people to their core. Okay, and the different signs of rejection sensitive people, or rather how do they react to their rejection sensitivity. And now in this specific video, we'll try to understand what can we do to overcome that rejection sensitivity. Okay, first one, reinforce your strengths and acknowledge them and reward your positives. See, every person is not a bundle of others' expectations, or you're not a bundle of others' negative comments. You are a unique individual and you have your own strengths, small or big. Nobody can be totally what others tell you or what negative comments others pass. So if you are rejection sensitive, if you cannot let it go and if you cannot overcome that, you try to focus on your positives. You try to reinforce yourself with your positive strengths. You try to acknowledge your positives, your strengths, what you are good at. You may not be good at everything, or even we need not be good at many things, but there will be something which we are all good at. Some unique thing which is particular to you or special to you. You may be good at technology, or you may be good at maintaining human relations, or you may be good at cooking, or you may be good at maintaining good physique. Something search and reinforce it, acknowledge it, reward it for yourself. That way you can try to be positive. You can try to gather yourself back and overcome that rejection sensitive mentality. Okay, quit taking it personally attitude. That is one thing we all need to focus on. See, many times in the workplace or in the family atmosphere, people many times they pass generalized statements. But what some people, or especially this rejection sensitive people, what they do is like they take even the generalized statements too personally. You don't have to do that. You don't have to take every generalized statement or every statement others pass too personally. Stop doing that. Quit it. See, everybody all the time is not so very leisure. They don't as if they don't have any other job apart from judging you. Don't look at it that way. People are very busy. They have their own issues to deal with. Not every time everybody is so so very jumping to judge you alone. Don't take it so personally. Okay, so that is one thing which you have to, that attitude you need to develop in order to overcome this negative impacts or negative effects of rejection sensitivity. Okay. Also, develop affirmations, affirmative statements. Try to say affirmative statements repeatedly to yourself, that I'm good at something, or I'm stronger than I think, or maybe I'm a risk taking person. I can experiment with things and I can see the results. I can experiment with results, or anything like that. I'm a better individual. Okay, people cannot judge me all the time. I'm not there to fulfill others' expectations. Whatever makes you feel good. Repeatedly you say that affirmative statements again and again. Or you can write some statements and fix them to a wall or wherever you can see, just to make you feel good, make you feel positive, make you feel confident. Okay, so whatever runs again and again in our mind, that is that's what reflects in our behavior also. So if you repeatedly say these positive statements to yourself, slowly your rejection sensitivity will come down. Okay, remember that all emotions are valid. That is one thing. See, we are all human beings, we are nothing but bundles of emotions. And negative emotions, they are all very much part of us. How can we be only positive emotions? How can we be filled with only positive emotions, only positive ways of expressing things? That is impossible. Negative emotions, some very negative emotions, they are all part of us. Some sick feelings, they are all part of us. Try to accept it. Because you are going through some negative emotion or some bad thought, it doesn't imply that you are a bad human being. It implies that you are a human being. Okay, so every emotion is valid. Every human being is bound to go through different emotions, good ones, bad ones, ugly ones. Okay, but thing is, we need to learn to control them. We need to get them in our hold. That is the key here. Okay, but going through different kinds of emotions is fine. Okay, be prepared for outbursts. See, what rejection sensitive people, as discussed in the earlier video, they try to hide things, they try to suppress feelings, and as a result, the feelings, what happens, the pressure builds up, and once it outbursts. So be prepared for those outbursts. Learn how to cope with those outbursts. Try to take some me time or some time apart from others so that you can cool down your system or your mind. Okay, or practice this stop, think, act kind of mentality. Whenever you feel like having an outburst, try to move away from that situation. Take some alone time. Okay, you try to stop there, think, and then try to act. It is, I know it is not that easy as we say, but that is the only solution. Even if it is very hard, you need to practice it. Okay, emphasize on family connections, very important, family and close friends. There will be some people who are really understanding, who really can share, can listen to you. You can share any feelings with them, inner fears with them. Discuss with those people who are truly reliable, trustworthy, that one or two members of your family or from your friend circle. Okay, so that genuine sharing with genuine people, that really helps you in relaxing, in becoming stronger. And this is how you can, with practice, you can really overcome that rejection sensitivity, and you will be all ready to face the world. Okay, thank you.